Hello everyone. In this video we will be reviewing how to lubricate a RoboCrib VX and LX latch. The tools that we are recommending are a 11/32 socket driver, Phillips screwdriver, LPS greaseless lubricant, and a cotton swab. Here we will show you how to remove the malfunctioning latches from the RoboCrib. Unlock the RoboCrib front door. Unfasten the top and bottom straps for the door on the left and open the door completely. Press on the baffle close button until the baffles are fully closed. Here is an example of the baffles when fully closed. Power off the controller. Utilize the Phillips screwdriver to manually release the latch that needs to be lubricated. Disconnect the top and bottom CAN bus cables from the latch. Utilize the 11/32 socket driver to remove the nylock nut securing the latch. Next, you will use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the two screws within the inner door frame. You are now able to remove the latch from the door frame. We will now cover how to lubricate the latch. Please take the latch to a clean environment free of debris or contaminants. You will need to take the LPS lubricant and a cotton swab for application. Apply a fair amount of lubricant to the cotton swab. Begin to apply lubricant on the surface of the standoff and solenoid plunger as follows. Next, you will prep the latch for testing. Manually actuate the solenoid plunger and observe for a clean movement and a distinctive snap sound. You are now ready to reinstall the latch back onto the machine. Please consult with RoboCrib tech support if your issue persists. Thank you.